Hey guys, for my second review, I thought I'd get them all done in the one night, and when I get my new gun, I'll do that. But anyway, this is I can't remember the exact name. I have to research it, and I'll put it in a link or in the description. I think it was the DS4 M4 or something like that. I know it's an M4A1. Very good gun. Sort of 200 225 FPS, something like that. It's very dusty because I haven't used it for a long time, and you will know this because if you have watched my MP5 video, you will know that it doesn't actually work. This is because it is jammed. It is jammed to the max. I swear there is about 1 million BBs in there. But anyway, I do recommend you getting this gun, but I did use, it is jammed with some crappy 53 BBs from the local shop. So if you're using good BBs like high grade .12s or .20s, this gun will not jam. This gun came in a very big box, and it came with a laser, a red dot laser sight, a crosshair scope, a flashlight, I think that was about it that it came with. It also has on it, oh, let me get it open, a hop-up system. This is an alright hop-up. I'm in completely the wrong place. It's just here, this little switch here. You push it forward that way for hop-up, push it back for no hop-up. The hop-up is just a little pin in the barrel that spins the bolt more, so it like goes up, goes down, and just goes straight. This is an electric, fully semi or safe gun. Have it pointing forward for safe, up for semi, and towards you for full auto. Very good rate of fire, this gun. The stock, very easy to pull out. You push this button in and pull all the way. So it's like this. So you can have it in the middle, a little bit there, a little there. You can have it in lots of different places. This grip is a slide off grip. This came with the gun as well as the red dot and all that. Very good grip, very strong. The battery is actually in the front of the gun, in here. This goes in here like this. This is actually a very hard battery to get back into the gun. I could just say it's a very hard battery to get back into the gun, isn't it? Oh, sorry about this, guys. Anyway, you may have noticed, but I have a cold. I forget it. Anyway, to get it off, you can this circle bit back. This circle bit back, and then it should just sort of pop out. Anyway, the red dot sight that came with it, the red crosshair scope that came with it, was very good. What else was very good about this gun? Oh yeah, the magazine. Right, the magazine was also very good. It's 40 round magazine, 40 round capacity rounds. To release the magazine, you press this button on like this, and it just pops out. To load the magazine, I don't have it right now, but you get a special speed loader thing where, like on most guns, you put the tube on the top, put all the BBs in, and you push the stick through and it loads it in. Or, if you really want to waste a lot of time, let's get this, you can take each BBC really and push it in there like that. But that takes like forever. To load back in, simply push in. That's about it with this gun really. Sort of 15 to 20 meters range. Pain rating or hurt rating stings for a couple of seconds. From close range it's quite powerful, but other than that, not really. It dents a can. It doesn't do anything else to it. That's about it with this gun really. Still trying to get this thing on here. Battery. It's a 7.2 volt battery. I don't know how long you should charge it for really. I think you should research that because the instructions that it come with said you should charge it for 12 hours the first time. Don't do that because I had to buy a new battery because my other one burnt. Okay. I charged it for a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours each time. Didn't do nothing wrong to the battery, but you should research that first. Overall, very good gun. The only problem I had with it was the jamming of it, and that was only because I'm a bit of an idiot with the bullets I used. I got this as this was like one of my first, but it's a good beginner BB gun. Anyway, that's it guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my other channels. And I'll see you guys next time.